Hello dear students, today we will discuss first chapter of our syllabus, that is introduction. Myself Sonal Satpute, working as a lecturer in Santagrupa Shikshan Sanstha's College of Pharmacy, Gogaon. In last lecture we were studied about trade. Now we will discuss about advantages and disadvantages of foreign trade. Already we are know that what is mean by trade. Trade means buying, selling and exchange of goods. Okay, trade means what? Buying, selling and exchange of goods. Here I have listed about various advantages of foreign trade. First advantage is foreign trade. How it get advantage? A country is able to earn valuable foreign exchange by exporting its goods to other countries. With the help of this foreign exchange, it can purchase goods of its needs from other countries. The second advantage is benefits to the consumer. The consumer of various countries are also benefited from international trade. It leads to raise in their standard of living. A variety of goods of better quality are available to them or to the various public at reasonable price. So it leads to raise their standard of living. This is also one of the advantage of foreign trade. After that, it increase the government income. How it increase the government income? The government imposes or import or exported duties on import or export. The government imposes import or export duties on the import and export products. By this way, government is able to earn lot of revenue from the international trade. In this way, the government get income from this import or export or from this foreign trade. After that, the next advantage is international cooperation. In international cooperation, the international trade improves the international cooperation by different countries to get better quality of goods from others and also supply them a better quality of goods. So the international cooperation is one of the advantage in the foreign trade. After that, the cultural development. In cultural development, the trade of people get different countries from when we come contact with each other through the international trade. They learn about each other cultural qualities. So here is also one of the advantage of foreign trade, that is cultural development. And the last one is helps in natural calamities.